In this guide, you will learn how to see background running apps on your Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your phone main settings. After the settings page, scroll all the way to the very bottom. You can try to find the developer option. If you don't find it, don't panic. Here's how to fix them. Simply open About Phone. After that, scroll down, then go to Software Information. Here you can locate the build number option, tap on it repeatedly few times, for example 7 times. After you tap on it, simply verify to enter your phone screen password. After you verify, you can see the pop-up message developer mode has been turned on. Now back to the main settings, scroll down again. This time you can find the developer option. Tap to open them. After the page is open, scroll down slowly. Here you can find the running services option. Click on it and wait to open the page. You can see all of the background running apps listed there. If you stop any app you're running to your background, you can easily fix it. To do that, simply scroll through the page and find the exact app. For example, I am stopped this messages app. Simply tap on the messages app name. Here you can find the stop button, click on it, then confirm by tapping OK, and you are successfully done. If you are also decide to close all of your recent apps your phone, don't worry. Simply swipe the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on the close all button and automatically close the all of recent apps your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribing to my channel. Also like this video. Goodbye.